Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this lovely card using the Fitting Florets collection, only available during November. Here is a beautiful card made with the Fitting Florets collection, which is available during November. The Framed Florets bundle will be in the next mini catalog starting in January. So you will be able to purchase this as a bundle, but the extra items in the collection are only available until supplies last or the end of November. So that is the Framed and Festive stamp set, the Fitting Florets Designer Series paper, very pretty, and the Gold Swirls embellishments. As you can see, I've almost used half. So I really like them. Okay, so I started with a piece of Evening Evergreen folded in half, and I've got a Balmy Blue 4 by 5 1/4 and some of the Designer Series paper 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. So I'm just going to attach the Designer Series paper flat. And then I am in love with this satin ribbon. And so I'm just going to put a little bit of satin ribbon on the bottom here. So I'm just going to trim it off and then I'll adhere it to the other side. So just line that up, flip it over, put some adhesive here. And then just to be sure, I'm gonna tape it. Then we'll add some dimensionals. Okay, I've already cut out the ovals for the card, so I'm just gonna stamp the birthday wishes, but there's lots of different sentiments that you can use. So now I'm gonna add these on with So I'm going to add these on with dimensionals. So I'm going to put this one about right here, and then lots of mini dimensionals. Okay, now I have already stamped and die cut out flowers. So I have a Balmy Blue big flower and 2 little Night of Navy flowers. I've also cut out some of these other leaves and embellishments from the dies. So I'm just going to add those on with dimensionals and glue dots. And lastly, I'm gonna add some of these pretty gold swirls. And there is my lovely, beautiful Fitting Florets card. That is part of my free card kit. When you place a $50 order or purchase the bundle, you'll get supplies for 6 cards, 3 of each of these designs. Just use my current host code and email me and let me know that you would like this Fitting Florets card kit. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on this card using the Fitting Florets collection, only available during November. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.